Okay, multiplying fractions. Multiplying fractions is probably one of my favorite because it's the easiest. You do not have to find a common denominator. There's no need. You just have to multiply the numbers like you see them. So our first problem is going to be 1/4 times 2/3. Okay, 1/4 times 2/3. What's so special about this is that you just multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, 2/12. Well, we all know that 2/12, both of those numbers are even, so they can be reduced by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And there you go. That is your final answer. You just multiply straight across and you get your fraction answer, 2/12. But you can't leave it like this because it can be reduced. Divide both sides, divide your numerator and your denominator by 2, and you get a final answer of 1/6. It is that easy. Okay, next problem, next example. 2/5 times 4/9. Okay, 2/5 times 4/9. Same thing, 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, 8/45. Now, let's see if we need to reduce it. 8 can be reduced by 2, 4, 8. 45 cannot be reduced by 2, cannot be reduced by 4, cannot be reduced by 8. So that is it. That is our final answer. No reducing necessary. See, well, I told you multiplying fractions was easy. All right, last example. We've got 1 1/5 times 1 2/3. Now, this is where it does get just a tiny bit trickier, but not too much. You can't multiply mixed numbers together. You can only multiply fractions like this. So we have to turn these mixed numbers into fractions. Now, we do that by 1 times 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So this mixed number becomes 6/5. Okay, same thing here. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. This becomes 5/3. Now these are improper fractions, but we're not going to leave them like that for long. All we need is a fraction to be able to multiply. 6 times 5 is 30, and 5 times 3 is 15. There's our improper fraction. Now we have to go ahead and change it back to a mixed number, but if you'll look, 30 divided by 15, it can be reduced, it can be divided evenly. 30 divided by 15 is 2. And that is our final answer. And there is multiplying fractions.